Okay, guys, we're back. I got some other stations speaking Spanish. Let's see if we can get through to them. I think one heard me. We're using the good old President Jackson.
Sí, 10-4. Bueno, está trabajando muy bien. Yo transmito con una antena direccional de 5 elementos y el transceiver ahí a ESU, 8, 5, 7 delta.
Yeah,
La
ESU.
microfonía octámetro 3. Y el amplificador está Keo Tango Lima 922. Fernando, adiante, Guido en tu copia. Gracias, un placer este encuentro. Es para la primera vez porque yo mirando aquí para el computer no tengo otro contacto, esperando copiarte nuevamente para Faixa de Ojos de Metro. Un abrazo fuerte, un augurio de paz, salud y prosperidad para usted y la familia. Muy obrigado, Fernando. Primo Alfa Tango 223, Guido, Italia.
Guido.
Y ese Tango 090, Fernando. Un abrazo. Chao, chao. Ciao, Fernando, ciao.
Break.
Break?
Hey, Guido, it's Nick from Toronto, Canada.
Toronto, please.
Roger, 9 Oscar Charlie, 63, Toronto, Canada. We spoke about a few minutes ago, maybe 10 minutes ago.
Nick, is well. Thank you for the replay again. This is a work condition. At least you, my antenna now is for the your direction. At least you in the spotting to 10 division. It's good feel. Nick, over.
Yeah, Roger, you're coming in 7 and 8 sometimes. Very good signal. So this time I'm using a President Jackson, an old President Jackson with the same window antenna, my friend. Back to you.
Well, President Jackson. Well, I listen many people in the third class in the using this transceiver as well. It's good transceiver from 10 and 11 meter band. It's working very, very well on that course.
Yeah, Roger. So guess what? I'm making a video right now. I have a YouTube channel. It's called the Ontario CB Club. Ontario CB Club on YouTube. And I'm making a video. I'm going to post it a few minutes later. Just give me your call sign one more time. 1 Alpha Tango. What was the rest?
I understand from the Ontario CB Club and to Canada. He said, well, I looking now for my computer. My code it is 1 Alpha Tango, number 2, number 3. 1 Alpha Tango 223, Nick, over.
Roger, I got you. 1 Alpha Tango 223. This is 9 Oscar Charlie 63. Operator's name is Nick, November Echo Kilo. And you are Guido, Golf Uniform India November Delta Oscar QSL.
Yes, correct. Golf Uniform India Delta Guido, yes. Golf Uniform India Delta Oscar Guido, over.
Guido without the N. Okay, yeah. I don't know what you did, but you are booming over here. You are 7 and 8. Very good signal, very good modulation. So yeah, I had to make a video to try this radio, and I'm gonna post it on YouTube a little bit later.
Yes, thank you. Thank you very much. It's a big up and down, one big up and down. Thank you for now for the video contact with you, Nick, this today. I said between the contact for the radio. Thank you, Nick. 9 Oscar Charlie 63, 1AT223 Guido. Ciao, Nick.
Ciao, Bello. Ciao. Thank you so much. 73. Ciao.
73, good luck.
There you go, guys. I spoke to him a few minutes ago with another radio, and I forgot to make the video. What? Is he talking to me? Let's see.
Radio 2302 is calling.
Yeah, so I was talking to him in another radio and I forgot to make the video. And I'm like, I have to try. So I was going up and down the channels. And that's how I found you. Look at your signal. You are like 7, 8 easily. Thank you, Guido. Thank you, Guido, for the contact. 73. Enjoy your weekend. And thank you guys for watching. Look at the signal.
Hopefully, the propagation to 9 Division Canada and to stateside and also to Mexico. It's very good condition. The big beautiful surprise this afternoon, Dave. Over.
Yeah, very good surprise. All right, thank you guys. Thank you so much. 73s. We'll catch you up on the next one. Thank you.